Today I am giving this artisanal ravioli pasta kit a try. I was really excited to receive it, and we love homemade pasta, so I thought, why not? Let's do it. We typically just make smooth traditional ravioli, but I love this hand carving. It's going to make beautiful raviolis, so I really look forward to that. I dusted it with some flour. And my dough has rested for 30 minutes, so I'm going to divide it up. Got my flour here on the counter. Just flatten out my dough. I'm going to roll it out into a rectangular shape so that it fits the ravioli mold well. I like this tiny little rolling pin. It's just really handy. Instead of using a giant cumbersome one, I think I'll use this for other things, not just this ravioli set. And I made a ricotta filling. I did ricotta, some Parmesan, and a lot of people will put egg in their ricotta, but I did not. So I just did Parmesan, ricotta, and fresh cracked pepper. Let's see. Ooh. Let's see how that's going to work. We need to do our little divots for our filling. And then use the pasta roller to really get that pattern on the ravioli. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of filling in each one to kind of hold it down. And I know you don't want to overfill your raviolis because then they will burst open. I don't want that. Okay, let's see where we're at. Oh, I think we're good. Let's bring this little fella back. Let's put our top on. We're going to use our little rolling pin to seal the edges. And then I'm going to use my little cutter take up my extra dough. Oh, how pretty. Oh my goodness, how beautiful. Holy cow, they're beautiful. I love it. I love it. So much fun. We'll definitely be having cheese ravioli for dinner tonight. So overall, what a great product. I've really enjoyed it. I can't wait to use it again. Maybe even when my grandkids are here, it would be so much fun to start a tradition making pasta with them because we do have Italian heritage. So yeah, I definitely recommend that you grab yours if you enjoy fun cooking.